In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the intermediate steering shaft on your GMC K1500. This will be located in the bottom side of the engine bay on the driver's side. Let's get started. Before beginning this job, you want to lock your steering wheel using either the steering wheel lock or putting the seat belt through one of the holes in the steering wheel and clipping it. Using a 15mm socket, we're going to remove the nut for the bolt at the top of the steering shaft. I'm going to leave the bolt in there with the nut off until we get the bottom off. We're going to remove this plastic shroud out from this line, pick up on the plastic, and pull back. And right here we'll have a bolt. Using a 7/16 wrench or socket, we're going to remove the bolt. We're going to use a pry bar and pry up on our intermediate steering shaft, pushing it off of the gearbox. Pull the steering shaft off, remove the bolt at the top. And remove the steering shaft. We're going to remove the zip tie from inside of the new steering shaft. Be sure that when you install this, the threaded section is going the correct way. These have a flat for the key, and this side is not threaded. I'm going to start by installing the bottom of the steering shaft first. Install the bolt. We'll go back down and torque that once we have the top of our shaft installed. Grab the steering shaft and pull it up. And into place. Install this top bolt and get the nut started. Torque the pinch bolt to 30 foot-pounds. Pull the plastic cover over and get it around that line. Snug the nut down, get it nice and tight. Torque the nut to 30 foot-pounds. Unlock the steering wheel, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.